Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change seats on TigerAir. Follow these detailed steps to change your seat for a TigerAir flight using the TigerAir web app. The first thing you'd like to do is to open your preferred web browser and visit the TigerAir homepage. Log into your account by clicking on the profile icon at the top right corner. Enter your email and password or use any of the following options to log in or create your account. Once you're logged in successfully, it's going to take you to this homepage. From the homepage, hover over the Ready to Go tab in the top navigation menu, and you'll be provided with a drop-down menu, including special offers, destinations, fees, special requests, and manage booking. Go ahead and click on Manage Booking from the drop-down menu, and that's going to take you to the Manage Booking form. Enter your booking reference number, otherwise known as your PNR, your given name in this box, your surname in this box, and click Search. That's going to walk you right into the booking management page. From the displayed bookings, locate the flight for which you want to change your seats. Once you've located it, click on the Change Seat or Modify Booking options next to the relevant flight. Then access the seat map. A seat map for the aircraft to appear showing available and reserved seats. For available seats, they're typically displayed in green or another color. For reserved or unavailable seats, they are displayed grayed or they are grayed out or marked differently. So select your new preferred seat by clicking on the desired location. The next step is to confirm the seat change. Review any additional charges for seat upgrades, example, extra legroom or premium seats. Click Confirm Seat Selection to finalize your choice. Then pay additional fees if applicable. If your new seat incurs extra fees, you'll be redirected to the payment page. Enter your payment details and click Pay Now to complete the transaction. After successful payment, if required, your updated booking details, including a new seat number, will be displayed. Then download or save the updated itinerary. If you have already checked in, you will need to reprint or update your boarding pass to reflect the new seat. Of course, use the Manage Booking section to download the updated boarding pass. By following these steps, you have successfully changed your seat on TigerAir. Ensure you keep a copy of your updated booking and boarding pass for your trip. Now, go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.